Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we have some amazing news. We have new information and precise information regarding the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, and as you can see right here, I have a dummy model right in my hand. This is the exact size of the device, and mostly except for this camera module here, it looks exactly like this. The camera module is going to look a little bit different at the bottom, but mostly you have this square and inside you have 4 cameras. But today, we have some detailed information from a Twitter leakster, Ishan Agarwal. So let's dive in and get some details, including exactly what you get in the retail box when you go and buy this device when it's finally available. So he has given us the exact contents of the box, plus new features to expect on this smartphone. Let's dive in. But before that, a quick word from our sponsor. A quick word before we dive in, guys. For this video, I partnered with Raid Shadow Legends, an epic dark fantasy RPG game. As expected from a top-tier RPG game, this game has a rich and detailed story, gorgeous graphics, and epic boss fights such as this massive fire-spitting dragon. And the best part, it is a free game. In this game, there are hundreds of champions you can unlock and upgrade to make them formidable so you can defeat everyone in your way, including other players in online PvP battles and various battle modes. So the game is free to download and you can play Raid both on mobile and on your desktop. The graphics on the PC version are mind-blowing. So what are you waiting for? Use my unique link down below to download the game for free. And if you are a new player, after you download the game, go to the main menu and click here to get 100,000 silver coins plus 1 free champion Hexware. These rewards will only be available for 30 days, so grab it quick. Make sure to use the link down below to claim your free rewards. And of course, enjoy the game. So according to this leak from Ishan, who does have a very good track record, so here's what you get in the box when you buy the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. You get the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, you get a USB cable C to C, you get a charger for 25 watts, okay, so it's 25 watt charger. It's not going to be the 45 watt charger, but it does have that ability. So you can probably buy it, or if you already have it, you can use the one that you have. And then you do get an AKG headset, Type-C, of course. This is the wired version. And then you get a couple other things like the SIM ejection tool. You get some information, the user guides, and a UV protector film for your Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. So before even the product is released, we know exactly what we're getting. All right. Now let's talk about the official specifications that he also leaked. Now this is something we know, but I like reinforced information. So 5,000 milliamp hours battery on the S20 Ultra, 6.9 inches screen, Quad HD Plus resolution. And the big thing here is we have 2 versions of the S20 Ultra 5G. Both of them have 5G by default. And again, you don't have to have 5G coverage to use the 5G smartphone. If you don't have 5G in your area, but you're using a 5G phone, it is going to default to the lower bands, whatever that may be. 4G, 3G, whatever. You can use this phone anywhere you want. But here's the thing. If you buy the 128 gigabyte storage model, you're getting 12 gigabytes of RAM. But if you're getting the 512 gigabyte storage model, then you're getting 16 gigabytes of RAM, and you know that's the one I'm going to be buying. Both of these versions do have 1 terabytes micro SD expansion ability, so that's great if you want more storage. And then we have Android 10, Snapdragon 865, and all that good stuff. And then we have a list of features to expect from this smartphone. The biggest thing here is, the biggest highlight is that we are going to be getting a professional level camera. It's saying unparalleled new camera experience, unmatched 100 times space zoom. So you're getting 100 times zoom on the camera on the smartphone at the bottom. It's going to look a little bit different than this replica model, but it's going to be at the bottom here. It's going to be 100 times zoom. It's not going to be optical zoom. It's going to be a combination of optical and hybrid zoom. I just can't wait to test that camera to see how good the zoom capability is. So if you read this thing, if you pause the video and read these features, you can see that the focus is on the camera. It says luminous photos and cinematic video even at night. So expect amazing night photography and videography as well as daytime photography. Can't wait to test this out, but this is what we have right now. With these leaks over here, we know exactly what this phone is, what it comes with before it even gets released. Now remember, if you buy the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus or the S20, you're getting most of the things on the S20 Ultra except for that camera. Okay, the camera on the S20 Plus and the S20 is not going to be as good as the one on the S20 Ultra. So that's a big decision to make if you are into camera and if you're very much into the camera. Okay, some people don't care. My Note 10 Plus takes photos good enough that will satisfy most people. But if you want something like this, you know, the best of the best, that's the one. The S20 Ultra is the one you get. All right, so if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below and let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right? All right, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH Online to get the latest updates as well. All right, have a fantastic day.